Greetings all. I just wanted to put together a little video showing my CNC plasma table that I've built. It's just showing the cart, putting casters on it after I had it powder coated, of course. And then I'll stand it up and put the actual gantries on it. I built the gantries using open build extruded aluminum, but all the components to put it together and everything else were custom built. That's some 3D end caps there showing how I trimmed out my square tubing. They work pretty good and look good. So this is a picture of the gantry sitting on top of it, the control box. I used a Proma Myplasm with automatic torch height control. Works really well. I did do some cutting before I took it all apart to powder coat it and everything. So here we're getting ready to put in the water tray, and then I'll show you the build of the grate that I did. I do have the grate on slants so that to avoid cutting it on straight cuts. Now you can see some 3D printed end caps on my NEMA 23 motors there. That's to help with wire management and just tidy things up. This is the water pan here, and then you'll see the building of the grates. If there's enough interest or enough questions, I can do some more detailed videos on the different parts of the build, give a little more detail. It was fun to build. Can't wait to start making a bunch of projects. I'll take some pictures or videos of some of my first cuts after it's all put back together anyway, because I've already have done some cutting with it. But anyway, appreciate y'all watching, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to shoot me an email or whatever, and I can try and answer any questions you might have. So far, everything seems to work pretty good. This grating's pretty solid. You see me shaking it there with my hand. It worked out quite well, so I was real happy with that.